today we have the honor of decorating one of Massachusetts' distinguished veterans, Mr. John Hayes, for his outstanding contribution to the liberation of my country, France. Mr. A. Hayes' service reminds us of the decisive role played by the American people in World War II. It is thanks to their commitment, along with the Free French forces and the other allies' relentless efforts, that Europeans managed to escape a brutal rule and are able today to enjoy democracy and freedom.
We came to an intersection, and there was a tank sitting off on the right-hand side. If you see a cannon on a tank, you have to be crazy to be afraid of it. But anyhow, they were able to fire off before we could do anything. Fortunately, I ducked behind a tree. Thank God for that. There were 10 of us hit with the shell. 2 of us survived. Of course, I didn't find this out until sometime later, because I really don't remember too much about that night. But we all, I think, feel that the heroes are those who are not here. They didn't come back. And those of us that are here, all we can do is say thanks. Thank you for everything.